Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an O2 sensor on a Chevy Equinox. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a specialized oxygen sensor socket, typically a 7/8 inch or 22 millimeter, along with a ratchet. A new oxygen sensor is crucial. Many come with anti-seize compound already applied to the threads. For safety, always have jack stands if you're lifting the vehicle and wear protective gloves. Next, we need to access the sensor. For downstream sensors, safely raise your Equinox using a jack and secure it with jack stands. Upstream sensors are usually found in the exhaust manifold, while downstream ones are in the exhaust pipe after the catalytic converter. Once located, trace the wire to its electrical connector and carefully unplug it. Sometimes a small pick tool helps release the tab. Now for the removal and installation. Using your oxygen sensor socket and ratchet, carefully loosen and remove the old sensor. If it's stubborn, running the engine for a minute can help warm the exhaust and ease removal. Before installing the new sensor, ensure its threads have anti-seize. If not, apply a small amount, avoiding the sensor tip. Hand thread the new sensor to prevent cross-threading, then tighten it to about 26 to 33 foot-pounds. Finally, let's wrap things up. Reconnect the new oxygen sensor's electrical connector, ensuring it clicks securely into place. If you removed any parts like the air intake or engine cover for access, reinstall them now. After everything is back together, it's a good practice to clear any diagnostic trouble codes from your vehicle's computer using an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner. This ensures your Equinox's system recognizes the new sensor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.